Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing Asian stir-fried shrimps with fried rice on pineapple. Yan. You know, pineapple is a main product for mok. So today we're using pineapple, we're using shrimps, and we're doing stir-fried shrimps, okay? So to begin with, we have our shelled and deveined shrimps already. And then we'll season it with garlic. Let's put in lots of garlic. So once peeled na natin yung garlic natin, we'll mince it. This. Okay. And then throw it here sa bowl. So lagyan ito ng luya. Grate it. Okay. Good. Very good. And then, lagyan ito ng konting sesame oil. There. Of course, some salt and a little pepper. There you go. That'll do also. I'll put in just a little onion. Konti lang. Pinong-pino lang. That's all the onion I want. Ilalagay natin dito. And I'm done. At this point, I'll just clean my table and then heat up my skillet. There you go. Hugas tayong kamay. I-mix natin siya ngayon. Nice. Ganun lang. And then later on, we'll put in some ketchup soy and some crushed pepper. And then, konting seasoning pa. Alright. Get it's hot. Put in our Dona Elena Pomace olive oil kasi mas mataas yung tolerance for heat. So this is really best for frying. There are so many benefits using Dona Elena olive oil. No? Number one, it's good for the heart. It contains large amounts of antioxidants that can prevent stroke. So keep on using a lot of olive oil. It's good for you. It's good for your heart. It's good for your skin. And now we'll put in our shrimps. Okay, so nice. Until maluto yung one side niya. And then we'll stir it naman. While we're cooking that, we'll put in some chili flakes. Good. A little of this ketchup soy. You'll find this sa mga Asian stores, mga Malaysian stores, ganyan. Just a little lang, just a drop of it. It's very strong, but the flavor is really good. There you go, beautiful. And then, let's just mix it. Halo lang natin sa ganyan. Beautiful, look at the color, no? Nice. In about 2 minutes, luto na to. So now it's done. I'll put this now on the side. Lagyan mo natin sa plate. I'll turn off my skillet first, my heat, as we prepare the next step. We'll put this here on the side, and then we're not going to wash this. Dito natin gagawin yung fried rice natin, no? But before that, I'm going to prepare our pineapple. Yun. Just like that. Kunin natin yung meat natin sa loob. Shape natin siya. Ito yung magiging pinaka-bowl natin for the rice and our shrimps. Okay, be careful. Okay, there you go. Kunin ko lang yung meat ng pineapple natin. Lagyan natin dito. You know, the nice thing about yung pineapple namin dito sa ormok, yung gitna niya, edible siya. Malambot pa rin. Like other pineapples, mahirap kainin. Ito yung core niya. Ang sarap, tamis. Really good. One of the sweetest table pineapples, talagang ormok pineapple. So now that my pineapple is prepared, what we'll do, we'll continue heating this. And then I'll get garlic. Okay. So once it's heated up, what we'll do, we'll prepare our egg. And then scramble natin siya. Beautiful. Put some oil here. Fry natin dito yung egg natin. Okay, let's fry egg there, then let it cook. And while we're doing that, we are chopping our garlic. Okay, let's see, our egg is cooked right away. Balik natin siya. There you go. And then we'll put this on the side. Diyan lang yan. We'll put in our garlic piece. Let the piece cook there. And then yung konti natin na pineapple, yung dyan, nag-crush na yan. And then ito lang natin siya. A little pepper, a little salt. Yun. So once luto na yung ano natin, yung mga piece natin, pineapple, doon na, i-chop natin yung eggs natin. Yun. And then, lagyan natin ng rice. Half the rice, pwede na yan. Sarap nito. Pag nakita ni Juliana to, patay. May rice eh. And then just mix it. Kunin ko yung konting pineapple juice. Yan nandito. I'll put the pineapple juice here. Yan. Yun yung magdi-deglaze dun sa pan natin. Okay. Beauty. Done. What we'll do now, serve na natin to. Clean our table. Ito natin sa serve. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put the shrimps here. Beauty. Okay. Here's our Asian stir-fried shrimps with pineapple fried rice. Let's try this. The shrimps. Wow. Succulent. Fried rice. Sarap ng, ang sarap ng pineapple sa fried rice. Tapos the peas. The contrast of texture, no? Very good. Because we put in a lot of ginger and garlic. Lumabas talaga yung taste niya. Really good. You should try this in your own kitchen. It's really good. Get 100 pesos off on Dona Elena products when you shop on Dona Elena's official online stores. Check the description box below to know more, okay? So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at home. Like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kung meron tayong bagong videos na lalabas sa weekend, okay? So try this in your own kitchen. It's really good. Look for fresh shrimps. Look for nice pineapple. Fry it with egg. Do it the Asian way, Asian style. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon right here in Goma at home. Bye.